The one thing I kind of like, especially about this too, is that they took pictures of actual maps. Like, I mean, you could look up a map of the Missouri Botanical Garden if you went on Google Maps, and boom, that's it. And I'm assuming, I've never looked it up personally, but I'm assuming it would look a lot like that based off of Google Maps. And so I think that's a good a good skill, or a good way to teach the skill to kids, because I mean, that's a real world skill. They want to go somewhere, they're gonna look it up probably on Google Maps, and so that's what we came up with for 6th grade progression.
Okay, do I have any other groups that have those same two tasks? Amanda's group, Lizzie's group, okay? Do I have groups that don't have that? Okay, Kim, you want to talk about your groups?
We agreed with the map of Nevada for finding the area, but then we grouped walking around the botanical garden. We grouped that with 7th grade, just because it's a scale drawing, and that 7th grade, that Common Core concept talks more about the scale drawing.
Okay, does anyone add on to that? Kathy?
Well, adding on to walking around the botanical garden, it says you need to find the actual distance around the garden. So you'd have to use the scale factor on this one to figure out what the distance is and then the actual distance. That's a 7th grade standard.
Right, so when we dive into the mathematics of the problem, if we read the problem that's there, we have to use some unwrapping concepts from grade 7 in order to access that botanical gardens question. So we should slide that botanical gardens questions into that 7th grade, because although it is perimeter, and that is a word that's not a part of here, it is actually a standard that comes prior to the grade 6 band. It's the scale factor that has to be used, which comes and brings us into scale drawings at 7th grade.